Can you spare a minute for Jesus? God is calling you into his holiness, not because he hates you, but because he loves you too much to let you perish. Without holiness, eternity is sealed, heaven closed, and hell wide open. Share this now because many do not know what's at stake. Hebrews 12:14, follow peace with all men and holiness, without which no man shall see the Lord. Without holiness, no matter your prayers, you will never see God's face. Holiness is not optional. It is life or death, Revelation 20:15 warns. Whosoever was not found written in the book of life was cast into the lake of fire. Sin will erase your name, but holiness secures it forever. Share this message before another soul is lost and comment, I choose holiness. Hell is eternal regret, but holiness leads to eternal joy. The choice is yours, and eternity won't wait for you. Make haste.